Hi guys, welcome back. As you can see by the title, I'm going to show you today how I went viral on TikTok. At the time of this viral video, which now has 5.6 million views, I only had about 2,000 followers, which was crazy. Now I have around 27,000 followers, and I've gone viral multiple times using pretty much the same technique. At the time of this viral video, I had posted probably about 300 TikToks, and I had around 2,000 followers, so I wasn't gaining a ton of followers, I wasn't gaining a ton of likes. It really was just me posting about brands and about techniques and teaching and educating about different makeup products that I loved. In this specific video, of course, my niche is makeup, so I am talking about a makeup product. I'm talking about a makeup sponge from Shiseido. And since that video, you can see tons of videos on it because I definitely made this brush go viral. So let's start by watching the video and kind of seeing what I did that could have really captured the audience's attention. I found out that this jelly silicone part on the bottom of this Shiseido brush is actually a beauty blender. So you're meant to take your makeup and then actually like tap it on and then blend it out, or even just blend it out just with the beauty blender. Let's break it down. So the first thing that I did was I showed the product and then immediately flipped it upside down. This is the most intriguing part of the entire brush. It's the jelly silicone part. Doing this action, actually showing that the jelly silicone can be touched, it can be manipulated, it goes up and down, it really is jelly. That, first off the bat, intrigues someone. I also say the words while I'm maneuvering this brush, I just found out. So I just found out something that you need to know about. Keep watching and I'll tell you about it. That is going to make somebody who doesn't even like brushes or doesn't even know about makeup or care about makeup, gonna kind of make them say, what is that thing? Why is she talking about it? Why should I know about it? What did she just find out? I'm nosy, I wanna know about it. So that is the hook, and that is just a visual. That is something that really caught everyone's attention. I also kept the time quite short. At the time, I wasn't cutting my videos, so that was all taken in one shot. I was speaking about the product, and then I go straight into how you actually use it. The last thing I do in the video, which is about 17 seconds long, is I go, so the look of surprise, and then it cuts. So that's a very easy video for somebody to watch, and an easy video for them to continuously watch. That is a big tip about going viral, is you want your video to be able to be watched multiple times so that you get multiple views from one account. And if each person is rewatching your video 3 or 4 times to understand what you're doing in the video or to see what it is that you're talking about, you're going to continuously get those looped views, and that in turn makes you go viral very quickly. So the rapid speed at which that video went viral, I posted it probably at 11 in the morning, and by 11 at night, I think I had 500,000 views, which, like I said, for somebody that had 2,000 followers, probably not even 2,000 at that point, it was huge for me. It was massive, and it changed everything, because after that, I ended up getting a brand deal with Shiseido. I'm glad they liked my video, and I'm really glad that they decided to work with me after that. And I got tons of other brand deals, and I ended up getting a lot more followers. One more tip that I think really helps me when I am trending or going viral is keep posting while that video is trending. Keep going. Don't just let that video run its course. Make sure that you're posting a few videos as that viral video is happening, because it's going to boost all of those other videos and they're all going to climb together as one. Now, first of all, I just want to let you know I am no social media expert. I am an expert in makeup. I don't have all of the answers when it comes to social media, but I really hope that this video can help you, especially for somebody who is just starting out. Let me know in the comments if you have any other tips for anyone who wants to go viral. And thank you guys so much for watching.